Lemukelwe ngenhlokomo elinye lamaciko asedumise umculo wakulelizwe umhlaba wonke. Amakhulu abantu abemlinde ngabomva amehlo uDJ Black Coffee ngemuva kokuhlabana ngendondo yeGrammy.
I'm here to welcome the real Black Coffee. He's made the country proud, he's made the continent proud, and we are just here to show him some love and appreciation.
Yeah, just very proud and excited that Black Coffee brought us the Grammy home.
Ufikele umuzwa owehlukile ke uBlack Coffee.
It's just such a crazy feeling. You know, when you sit alone as a human being and you wonder if you died, would you know who loved you? Would you, what would people say about you? I'm experiencing that moment right now.
Bekukhona ngisho ikhule iphezulu kuhulumeni ngenkathi kwemukelwa lo DJ.
We wish you to continue on your good path, the path of ensuring that you invest in youth, your love for young people. We want many Black Coffees to be produced after you.
Lo DJ osewole inqwaba ezindondo uzobe la eNingizimu Afrika kule nyanga ezintathu ezizayo. Kuneminye imicimbi ehlelelwe ukubungaza ukuhlabana kwakhe.